In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create Amazon listing images in Canva. We're going to walk through the full process, from setting up your design to adding your product photos, building lifestyle and infographic images, and finally downloading your files ready for upload to Amazon. Follow along step by step on your screen. First, let's set up your design. Open Canva in your browser or app and log into your account. On the homepage, look for the button that says Create a Design in the top right corner and click it. A drop-down will appear. From here, click on Custom Size. Now you'll see fields for width and height. Type in 2000 for width and 1500 for height in pixels for a high-quality Amazon listing image. If you're designing a square infographic, you can also use 1500 by 1500 pixels. These sizes keep your images sharp and clear on Amazon. Once you've entered your dimensions, click Create New Design. Canva will open a blank canvas in a new tab, and this is where you'll build your Amazon listing image. Next, upload and place your product photos. On the left side, click on the Uploads tab, then click Upload Files and choose your high-quality product images from your computer. Wait for them to fully upload. When they appear in your Uploads panel, click and drag your main product photo onto the canvas. It will drop into the center. From here, grab the corners to resize the product. You want your product to be the star of the image, so aim for it to cover about 80% of the space without cutting off important edges. Center it nicely and keep it straight so it looks professional and easy to see. Now let's create backgrounds and scenes. For your Amazon main image, you want a clean, simple background that meets Amazon's requirements. If you have Canva Pro, click on your product image, then at the top toolbar, click Edit Photo and choose Background Remover. Canva will remove the original background and keep only your product. Once that's done, click on the empty canvas area and change the background color to white using the color picker at the top. This gives you a crisp white background that works well for an Amazon main image. If you do not use the background remover, you can still place your product on a plain white background by adding a white rectangle or using an image that already has a clean background. For lifestyle images or infographics, you can add more creative scenes. On the left, click Elements and search for surfaces like marble or wood. You can also search within Canva's photo library for lifestyle images that match your product, for example, a kitchen counter, a desk, or a living room. Drag a surface or lifestyle photo onto the canvas and send it to the back using the Position button so your product sits in front. Adjust the size and placement until it looks natural, as if your product is sitting in a real environment. Now let's add text and icons for infographics and benefit shots. On the left, click Elements again and look for basic shapes like rectangles and circles. Drag a rectangle onto your canvas and place it near the edges or in a corner to create a clean information area. You can stretch and resize these shapes to act as banners, labels, or text boxes. Change their color at the top to match your brand or contrast with the background. Next, click on the Text tab on the left. Choose Add a heading or a smaller text style and type in key features, benefits, or quick how-to steps for your product. Keep the text short, clear, and easy to read at a glance. Adjust the font size and color so it stands out but doesn't cover your product. From here, go back to Elements and use the search bar to find icons that match your features, such as BPA-free, waterproof, eco-friendly, or dishwasher-safe. Drag those icons next to each benefit line. This makes your Amazon infographic images more visual and easy to understand. To make everything look more realistic, search in Elements for Shadow or Drop Shadow. Choose a subtle shadow element and place it under or behind your product. Adjust the transparency so it looks soft and natural, which helps your product pop off the background without looking fake. Now let's combine images for bundles. If you sell sets or multiple items, go back to the Uploads tab and add all the different product photos you need. Drag them all onto the canvas. Resize each item and arrange them together so they look like a complete bundle. Overlap them slightly or fan them out, but keep them neat and balanced. Make sure every item is visible so the customer understands exactly what's included in your Amazon product listing. Once your Amazon listing image is ready, it's time to download and export. In the top right corner of Canva, click the Share button, then select Download. In the File Type dropdown, choose PNG for a high-resolution image that stays sharp on Amazon. Check that the correct page is selected if you have multiple pages in your design. Finally, click Download. Canva will prepare the file and save it to your computer. From here, you can upload it directly to your Amazon product listing. That's it, you've created a complete Amazon listing image in Canva, including a main image, lifestyle or infographic versions, and even bundle images, all ready to help your product stand out.